Hey, what's going on YouTube? Uberman here. Have any of you watched Ride with Peterson? If not, I want you to go check out his channel. In fact, do me one better. Down below in the description box, there is a link directly to a particular video on Ride with Peterson's channel that I'd like you to watch. I just found this gentleman yesterday, and I saw a video that he did that was called something like End of a Dream, where he was just heartbroken that he's not going to be able to do this. He wasn't able to make ends meet, renting a BMW from some company, doing like Uber Lux or Uber Black or something like that. And I was like, man, I want to do a video and see if we can generate some views and some subscribers for his account. Let's see if we can help this guy, because he seems like a real genuine dude, and I still believe that. But today, out of nowhere, there's this video that says, I apologize to my partners. And it's like, I'm watching the video, and it's not just me, because I'm reading the comments and other people are like, dude, do we need to call 911? You know, because it's almost like someone's got a gun to this guy's head and he's saying what he has to say. I don't know what's going on. I don't like it. I don't like when people bully people. I hate bullies, and I feel like somebody's bullying this guy. And as a rideshare community, this is a genuine dude. He makes good content for you guys. He's only got 2,000 subscribers, so please jump over there, subscribe to his channel. But do me a favor, comment specifically on either this video or his video that's in the link in the description box down there. Comment and tell me what you think. Do you think that video is forced? Because something just seems really off. And when I started reading through the comments, it seems like just about everybody else agrees. But regardless, this guy needs to be showing some love because he produces good content. He's well-spoken. He's a smart guy. And he deserves more subscribers than he's got. So please go over, Ride with Peterson, subscribe to his channel, and comment on this video or on his video. And tell me what you think. Because, I don't like bullies. And if someone's bullying him, they need to be dealt with. Till next time, like, comment, subscribe, and stay safe out there.